In this question, you're given y is equal to root of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. What is the differentiation of this function? So this is also a composite function which contains a quotient function. Root of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Root of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So what is dy by dx? Let us use tough rule. Root of something first. Root of something's differentiation is 1 by 2 root something. Right? In the place of something you have 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x into the differentiation of this something 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is differentiation. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root something, where something is the expression which is inside square root. 1 by 2 root something into something's differentiation. So now this something's differentiation can be done using the quotient rule. So that is equal to, so this root of 1 plus tan x goes up. So 2 times root of 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x times, what is the differentiation of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x? So 1 plus tan x whole square v square. So 1 plus tan x times the differentiation of 1 minus tan x is minus secant square x, because 1's differentiation is 0, minus tan x's differentiation is minus secant square x, minus of v u dash minus u times differentiation of this is secant square x. That is equal to 2 times root of 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into, in the denominator you have 1 plus tan x whole square. In the numerator you can take secant square x as common. So you have minus 1 minus tan x minus 1 plus tan x. So minus tan x and plus tan x gets cancelled. So you have minus 2 here. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4 secant square x minus 4 secant square x into root of 1 plus tan x by root of 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x whole power 3 by 2 is whole square is 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x. So 1 root gets cancelled and you get a root here. So effectively you have minus 4 secant square x divided by root of 1 plus tan x into 1 minus tan x is root of 1 minus tan square x into 1 plus tan x. Right? So this is the differentiation of this function. So you can simplify it further, but I'll leave it here. So next you're asked to differentiate 1 by root of a square minus x square dy by dx is equal to. So this can be written as a square minus x square whole power minus half, right? 1 by root of a square minus x square is a square minus x square whole power minus half. So dy by dx is equal to minus half times a square minus x square whole power n minus 1. N into a power n minus 1 is minus 3 by 2 times the differentiation of a square minus x square is minus 2x. It's minus and this minus gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled with 2, that is equal to x times a square minus x square whole power minus 3 by 2. X times a square minus x square whole power minus 3 by 2. So this will be your value of differentiation. This will be the differential function.